Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I will talk about how I started my latest jet fighter game project. My name is Manolo, and I'm a game developer and a 3D prop artist at Hatcher's Dev Studio. It all started with Asset I downloaded on the Unity Asset Store. I play around with it for some hours, then I decided to also create a project like that. I first derived a whole new code from the original one. Well, now the aircraft is flying. Then I wanted to implement a takeoff system in my game, so I added a few tweaks to the code, and this was the result. This is how the system works. First, I created 4 states for the aircraft: landing, landed, takeoff, and flying. Now I had some basic stuffs working correctly. Next was adding missile. I created 2 new scripts, one for the missile and the other for spawning the missile. The missile spawning script just spawns a game object, the missile, at a position. Simple, right? Now all was done, and I needed to do some level designing. I had everything set: textures, brushes, roadblocks, shipping containers, everything. The level design was inspired by this guy on ArtStation. I will provide a link to his page in the description. Then was the result. Please rate it in the comment. You can check the description for links to the assets used in the project. Thank you, and remember to like and subscribe for more content.